Hello, my name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky and I specialize in medical hypnotherapy, guided imagery, nutrition and exercise. My website being drmedicalhypnosis.com, drmedicalhypnosis.com for your personal health care hypnosis videos. A few weeks ago I discussed the meaning of hypnosis. Today we're going to discuss the indications of hypnosis. Now there are extremely many indications for hypnosis, but time will not allow us to go through all of them. I will try and group them in groups to make it easier. Most probably the most well-known of hypnosis therapies is for stop smoking. And this treatment of hypnosis for stop smoking, if the person is willing, has found to be far superior to any nicotine gums or any other treatment. The patients listen to the video twice a day to keep on enhancing themselves. And we also find out what the stress factor is, because oftentimes people who are anxious, stressed, tend to smoke. The next one is weight loss. Weight loss, if it's compulsive eaters or yo-yo dieters, there's often a psychological problem behind their overeating. Hypnosis delves in to the subconscious mind, and once that is able to treat that, their obesity improves. For those who are morbidly obese, you have all heard about the lap band surgery. Well, we perform a virtual lap band surgery through hypnosis with excellent results. There are no post-operative complications, no side effects. The patients get up and walk out after the procedure, and each time they eat, they visualize their band in place, and their stomach is small and they don't eat a lot. The next group I will group as the pain group. Firstly, people who suffer chronic pain, whether it be neck or back, with or without surgery, they suffer severely from their pain, and it affects them psychologically in that they get depression, and the depression aggravates the pain. So hypnosis helps with the treatment of chronic pain. The next one is migraine sufferers. Those who've had a migraine headache can tell you how intense the pain is. Using hypnosis, we prevent the migraines from coming using certain techniques, and if the migraine does occur, we use other hypnotic techniques to abort the intensity of the migraine headache. The next pain group is muscle tension headaches. This is a different type of a headache that begins in the back of the neck and radiates up to the head. Often people call it migraine because it's so intense, but it's not migraine, it's muscle tension headache. The next painful condition is irritable bowel syndrome, causing lower abdominal pain and nausea and vomiting, bloating. Tends to come more in females than males, and oftentimes there is a stress factor behind them developing their irritable bowel syndrome. Hypnotizing them, giving them a proper nutritional and exercise program, their symptoms do improve. Fibromyalgia. This is a disease that is increasing in incidence, comes mainly in females, and they have a diffuse pain disorder. The exact cause is not known, but they have diffuse pain over their whole entire body. Medications do not work too well as they have side effects, but hypnosis does work. It helps them control their pain and it helps them with their psychological issues because they have anxiety and depression. The next group of illnesses and diseases is the psychiatric or psychological. Anxiety, stress, depression, where you can take medication. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Oftentimes they have side effects. But if you wish to treat the anxiety, depression, stress in a holistic, medication-free way, hypnosis is the way to go. The patients listen to the video twice a day and become empowered and relaxed. Cancer. Cancer is so important. Hypnosis is so important in treating patients with cancer, because patients become empowered in treating themselves together with their physicians. What they do is they listen to the hypnosis twice a day, and we show them methods of sending out certain materials to quench and quench the thirst of the cancer. We give them a comprehensive nutrition and exercise program, and they feel empowered because now they are doing something for themselves, and it's not that all the doctors are doing things to them. Now, one that is not a disease but is a pleasure is sports enhancement. You would not believe the amount of people that we've treated with hypnosis, and they've told us their golf game, their tennis game, their surfing capabilities have improved so much with the hypnosis. What this actually does, it increases the concentration and reduces the stress while they're trying to hit the ball, make a 1,000-yard drive, hit a ball in hole in one, or make an ace. So sports enhancement using hypnosis is well known. It's used by all the sports figures and the professionals as well. But you are now able to use that yourself by getting your personal video. This is going to shock you, but hypnosis can control blood loss. If you are going, or a loved one is going in for a major surgery, an abdominal or an orthopedic procedure, where you're going to have a lot of blood loss and you might need a blood transfusion, we teach you a method of how you can control your blood loss. Well, you might ask, you're under anesthesia, how can you do that? And the answer to that is because the subconscious mind is far stronger than the conscious mind. And while you practice doing what is instructed for you to do in the video, you will control your bleeding and your doctor will be amazed. Childhood and teen obesity is an issue that is causing much concern in the country, because the incidence is increasing and it's causing a huge drain on the healthcare dollar, because they are suffering diseases of their parents and grandparents being on the same medication as them. In our hypnosis video, we talk first to the parents and we discuss the nutrition. A child is very given to guided imagery because they imagine, and we then give them an imaginary guided imagery session to control their eating. There are many more indications, such as grief therapy, post-traumatic stress syndrome, etc., various skin conditions, asthma, psoriasis, a whole lot more indications, but I cannot spend the time because the video will last too long. Those are the most important cases that we have found that respond to medical hypnotherapy. My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I thank you for listening to this video.